Fresh na fresh itong rear shock for ADV 150 and 160 mula sa Race Power. What if ikumpara natin siya sa Profender and sa Öhlins? Gamit ang dyno data, sukatin lang natin ang kanilang comfort, performance. Sakto, bago din yung aking shock mount. Yung gagawin natin na comparison dito is yung out-of-the-box settings ng tatlong shocks. Let's start with Race Power. Low speed damping as compared with Profender. Almost the same sa rebound, exactly the same naman sa compression. Öhlins, the same sa compression but slightly lower yung kanyang rebound. High speed ng Race Power, this is our graph. High speed ng Profender, almost the same, slightly may konting edge sa compression and sa rebound. Base sa mga nakita natin doon sa computer data gamit yung shock dynamometer, masasabi natin na si Race Power, tahimik lang yan based on our data, yung kanyang compression, yung kanyang rebound, at low speed damping, high speed damping, kaya palang sumabay.